Hi! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? And this will be my first vlog for my son na si Ethan na palabas. So starting today, I'm going to record daily. So anak, matagal mo pa to mapapanood, matagal mo pa to maintindihan. Pero if mawala na si Dada sa mundong to, I want you to watch everything I will post. This is for you and your future brothers and sister. Yan, kasama mo si Coco, si kuya mo. And all I want to say is be grateful, be humble. No matter what happen, life is not fair in this world. Tandaan mo yan, anak, Ethan. Basta lagi kang magdasal, lagi kang magpakumbaba sa lahat ng bagay, kasi not all your friends is your friends, not your enemy is your enemy, but someday, somehow, you will understand everything, anak. And right now, si Dada maraming trabaho, kasi palabas ka na sa tiyan ni mami mo, and I need to work so much hard for you and for your brother, si Coco. And I hope someday you will watch this and always remember that I love you so much. I always miss you every single day. Pag umalis ako sa bahay, di ko kasama si mami mo. And I'm not a perfect dad, but I will be a great dad for you. I will teach you everything I know in this world to survive and chase your dream no matter what happen, anak. Ethan.